Where the willingness is great, the difficulties cannot be great. Meaning, it's actually always been about the willingness of human nature and in our actions, behaviors, ideologies that makes all else that we want and desire possible. And where there is willingness, there is also always hope, faith, belief, and there is also going to be the basically consequential results and ambitions of success, progress, growth, learning, character, intelligence, morality, integrity, dignity, sovereignty, individuality, and many other virtues can also be developed, grown, cultivated, and also equally enhanced over time if there is the willingness in the individuals to do so. See, so besides having success, prosperity, money, resources in one's life, willingness also matters a lot. So willingness can be considered in that sense to be a fundamental imperative, a critical condition, a necessary requirement, and something that's always necessary for success, growth, learning, and for moving forward, for making mistakes, for learning constantly, insistently, and consistently. There also has to be the willingness in both the individual man and the woman in one way or another. So, where the willingness, the resistance, the resilience, patience, virtue, distinction, all are great at peak power, then the difficulties, obstacles, challenges, oppositions, rivalries, and many other external threats, barriers will not be able to surmount us, overcome us, conquer us in our psyche, mind, talent, psychology, and action because of our willingness, because of the presence of willingness within and about ourselves, as well as in our actions, that is going to make also everything else possible that we want, desire, and that we have the ambition and aim and intention and purpose for achievement, progress in our lives. So it's about the willingness that has to be great alongside distinction, sovereignty, morality, character, and where all these conditions of virtues and qualities are fulfilled and met, then difficulties will not be able to stop us. Difficulties will not be able to conquer us or overcome us because of our willingness, because of our unflinching attitude, unstoppable character, and basically irreplaceable, immovable morality, value, virtue, sovereignty, distinction, understanding, etc. So it's about the willingness also that makes greatness, significance, worth, insanity, genius possible in the world, and not the difficulties play always a great role, but willingness surpasses and surmounts difficulties of all kinds in the world because difficulties cannot be